it's backing up. Came down, hit the spoiler, and they are inserted into these little grooves.
How you remove all this crap off. So the first piece you want to remove is you can pop this off with just your bare hands. So 4 clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, once we remove the center, this will come out. So this is the next piece in the order. So this piece and these 2 pieces. So these, really just with your bare hands, you don't even need any pry tools. Then next, once you have that off, you can start removing this piece. Never mind, you can't. Alright, now I'm gonna pry these little things out.
Did Zayden just drive here by himself?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Lon was coming.
No, they just like, I'm just gonna come. No, I'm just kidding. Lon's somewhere. Where did Lon go?
Inside, probably.
Oh.
Using that.
He's like, I should do another video of how to remove this. Yeah, shit, dude. You can't remove this piece until you remove this main piece. And this main piece comes out. Oh, it's one big piece. So let me show you guys. Look. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clips that goes around. Broken little piece right here. Yeah, this piece done. Anyways, it's does not come out easy. I'll tell you guys that much. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws for the spoiler. So I'm trying to figure out. Oof. Look at this. Okay, so now they remove the bolts. You can get the spoiler off, but there's a plug right there in the middle. All right, so there's a plug here. Press down on it. It slides out. So you gotta get that plug out before you can remove the spoiler. Okay, someone tried to glue this piece back the worst way I've ever seen. Ever. Good God. Dang. It's horrible. So we uncovered something really dumb. So this spoiler was damaged previously and someone tried to repair it by just gluing some resin or something. But anyways, 3 out of 5 of these popped off. And there's not really like once they're broken, I mean, you're kind of screwed. There's not really an easy way to fix it, so I'm gonna try to open up my rift nut set and maybe see if we can, I don't know, we'll see if it's an option. Okay. Let's see if it's even possible to perhaps maybe use some rift nuts. I got this kit. I'm just opening this now, I never got to use it before. That's cool. Aiuichio. What kind of weird name is that? Alright. It comes with a gun. Looks really good quality. And these are the individual pieces. Put the ribbons in. Wow. There are different types of bolts we're going to use. Maybe. Maybe. Hey, look, this could potentially work. It's an M3 bolt. You know what?
I guess.
Dang. Got a big chunk of it off.
What's mine?
What's the red one?
I don't know if I should be breathing this thing in here.
Dude, this is.
You want one? I have an extra one.
Oh yeah, sure. You can. I'm all for crafts and stuff.
You did such a good job with that. With that statue.
I'm gonna get the third.
This is how you fix a spoiler.
So you do it.
Side note: require a fanner. A fan.
A fan.
A fanner.
A fan and a fanner. We really just made up a new terminology that is now going to enter the Webster Dictionary. A fanner. A person who fans a person plastic welding. Specifically, only plastic welding.
Only in plastic welding.
Such that smoke.
That's basically a picture right there.
Yeah, I don't think that's why 3M would work. Look how much dust gets underneath here.
Oh, yeah.